ministry no money Dr. Hannah Bissiw. Mo minister ne free ministry where the man because I say or start operation be na man for say oh na the ministry is not happy because on baby or one she's not supposed to do that. Adwuma ni nyina wo ministry ho also mo na eye na Dr. Hannah Bissiw betia sim na wa be operation na say ama ministry no mpanifo the minister lands and natural resources say mo nya adwuma ne ade money Dr. Hannah Bissiw Jumadi award ehamo ministry ehamo
in the first place honorable Emmanuel Amakofi-Boa one obi a oye adwuma on ministry obi a cool.
Okay.
Minister Mpewa, it's very difficult for you to get an appointment at an agency within the ministry. But what I say? And see, obi a wo Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources agency biano ti ase preocupe say minister don at one point or the other said say, "Oh, you okay to work with the person?" If minister no the beg give you the direction, or no want to win your juma, president will always take a second look at in terms of appointment. You know, Mame Hannah Bissiw assembly any home. But in say abuana no wa o di people so need in twere so. Ntina obi adwuma no there are clear cut mandate. O fa de no fa gugu nkwanse ha. We fa na de emeso so. Ewia na nyina keka si ani na abodwa. Sebe abaya ba etwa mu. Obeti omu organizer ho as far as Galamsey is concerned. Na onu ankasa ye deep neck deep into the menace. Ya question excavators kura wosu.
Obaso no ya man appointed as minerals.
Me say abaya obaye utwa party this aban no bae no. The national women organizer obeti Galamsey asema na ma no ankasa ye bi 87.9. It say hey abaya ba na obeti ye women organizer din no no de wo ko atia de as Kenya asem
not in the capacity as the women organizer. The CEO administrator for Minerals Investment Fund.
I'm building a point.
Okay.
Nti aba party MPP no women organizer no ye Galamsey.
No mining.
Or ye Galamsey wafa. Mining ben ye the same so. Or ye mining the question excavator one for or mine and go court. No ye Galamsey.
Anyway.
And the NDC aban ye women organizer e ko atia Galamsey. Nka ye nkomo pa. But in terms of mandate, now she has overstepped her mandate.
Oh, okay.
And the aspect a lot of people didn't like was the media showmanship.
And ministry,
that is not the tactics I use. And yes, I said, who diverted the original tactics now. When him said, Mami reveal a secret to him. When him said, yeah, basically the intimate density. Was a few excerpts of Aberwan Ninkre operation video at the Betwabonte. Aberwan Ninkre video, I think it was just 1 minute 21 seconds. And the Betwabonte. And Nunti Ama, we have not been able to take them because now the guys are on high alert. But you are silent, said the Yaji Jimra. You are silent, said the G of Fin Short Tabet. You are silent, said the G of our hills and many idea. And Kawomus one more, who's on Comerania for Munum. Nobody goes on wall and put camera on the wall. But who did the American? I am there. Some penny and what say, let's allow the only recognized body, which is NIMOS, the professional security groups, to deal with the matter. Any unauthorized move, operation whatsoever, is tantamount to arrest. You bet you. I do from so that's 87.9. Unauthorized operation BIA. Seven year tax force 1,000 me free Benkuma Nanifa.
As a the whole committee, I see, and I say, as we speak, Dr. Hannah Bissiw, operation or starting, you know, a Twitter, Nyade so you be honey.
Oh, say, or the Omompenia, some more kind of a Jumadia. Ubia operation or starting, you know, a Twitter.